If you're considering TextCortex, there are a few things you should know before making your purchase. We've put together a quick guide to help you weigh its strengths and limitations compared to other generative AI tools out there. Stick around till the end to find out if this is the right fit for you. First off, TextCortex is an AI-powered writing assistant designed to boost productivity. It's capable of generating content in seconds and provides features like blog writing, email generation, and product descriptions. Compared to other options like Jasper or Copy.ai, TextCortex has a user-friendly interface that's easy for anyone to navigate. Next thing you should know is its pricing model. TextCortex offers multiple subscription tiers, from basic plans to premium options. While it's generally more affordable than some competitors, especially at the entry level, the higher tier pricing can get a bit steep when compared to tools like Writesonic, which often provides more features for a similar price. The third thing to consider is its AI's quality. While TextCortex does a solid job in generating coherent and engaging content, it doesn't always deliver on the complexity that some advanced writers might need. For example, tools like ChatGPT and Copy.ai tend to create more nuanced, in-depth content, which may be necessary if you're working on long-form or technical pieces. Now let's talk about integration. TextCortex integrates with tools like Google Docs and WordPress, which is a bonus for those already working within those platforms. However, it's worth noting that some other AI tools, like Jasper, offer even broader integration options with more platforms, which could be a deciding factor for teams needing more flexibility. The fifth thing worth mentioning is the AI's ability to generate creative content. TextCortex excels in short-form content like headlines and product descriptions. However, when it comes to creative writing or more complex narratives, it can sometimes fall short of competing tools like Writer or Jarvis, which provide stronger creative outputs. Next, let's touch on customization. TextCortex allows for some customization in terms of tone and style, but it's not as versatile as some competitors. If you're looking for deeper personalization, other tools might provide more control over things like sentence structure or overall voice. Another thing to keep in mind is its customer support. TextCortex provides support via chat and email, but it doesn't always offer the same level of responsiveness or 24/7 assistance that bigger platforms like Jasper do, which can be a downside for users who require immediate help. The eighth thing to know is the learning curve. While it's generally easy to use, TextCortex can sometimes require a little getting used to, especially when exploring more advanced features. Competitors like Copy.ai tend to have more intuitive workflows for beginners. Moving on, let's talk about scalability. TextCortex can be a great tool for individual content creators or small businesses, but it may not scale as well for larger teams or enterprises. For larger projects, you might find tools like Writesonic or Jasper offer better team collaboration features and more robust scalability. The 10th thing to mention is the speed of the AI. TextCortex can generate content quickly, but in some cases, it can lag behind competitors like Writer, which is known for providing fast, instant results, especially in high-volume environments. Next up is the diversity of use cases. TextCortex works well for general writing tasks, but may not be the best for specific industries like technical writing, legal documentation, or research-heavy content. If you're in need of specialized content, competitors like Phrase might be a better choice. Finally, TextCortex's free trial is a great way to test out the tool before committing. However, the free version has limited features, and you'll quickly notice the need to upgrade if you're planning to use it for anything more than basic content generation. Overall, TextCortex is a solid AI writing assistant with a lot of potential, but it's not the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for something more feature-rich or better suited to scaling a large operation, there are other tools worth checking out. However, if you're interested in a simpler, more affordable AI assistant, TextCortex could be a good choice for you. But if you want a better solution, we've got a recommended option you can try for free. Check it out in the link below.